In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend a Xero invoice. The process might seem daunting at first, but with my step-by-step guidance, you'll find it pretty straightforward, whether you're correcting an error, updating invoice details, or simply resending for clarity. Mastering this skill will streamline your invoicing procedures and ensure your transactions are up to date. First things first, head over to the Xero website. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the screen and you'll see the Login button. Clicking this is your first step into the realm of your financial operations in Xero. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Carefully type in your email and password. These details are your keys to the kingdom, so ensure they're entered correctly to avoid any unnecessary hiccups in accessing your account. Upon entering your details, click on Login. This action will take you directly to your Xero dashboard, which is essentially your command center. From here you can navigate to various sections of Xero, but for our purpose today, we're homing in on the invoicing feature. Navigate to the Business tab. The Xero interface is designed to be user-friendly, so you'll find the Business tab prominently displayed, just a click away. Once you've clicked on Business, your next stop is to click on Invoices. This will open up your invoicing dashboard where all your financial requests, pending, paid or otherwise, are listed. Finding what you need here shouldn't be too hard, as Xero does a fantastic job of organizing your invoices. Now for the meat of today's tutorial, resending an invoice. Scroll through your list of invoices or use the search feature to quickly locate the specific invoice you wish to resend. Once you've found the right invoice, click on it. This action will open the individual invoice, allowing you to view all the details associated with it. On the invoice screen, you'll notice 3 dots located somewhere around the invoice details, usually at the top. Clicking these 3 dots will open a drop-down menu with several options. Among the options, find and click on Edit. This is crucial because before resending the invoice, you might want to make certain adjustments or corrections. Perhaps the initial invoice had an error, or there were updates required by the client. Whatever the case, clicking on Edit will allow you to enter the editing mode. Once in the editing mode, go ahead and make the necessary changes. This could range from updating the billing address, changing the invoice date, modifying the description of goods or services provided, or adjusting the total amount due. The editing mode is flexible, providing you with the capability to amend all parts of the invoice as needed. After you've made all your adjustments and you're satisfied that the invoice now reflects the accurate details, the next step is to update it. Look for the Update button, which should be prominently displayed on the screen. Clicking Update will save all the changes you've made to the invoice. This step is critical as it ensures all the edits you've painstakingly entered are not lost. It updates the invoice within Xero's system, making it ready for resending with the correct information. Once the update is complete, you've essentially prepared the ground for resending the invoice to your client or customer. In this guide, I've walked you through each step necessary to locate, edit, and prepare an invoice for resending within Xero. Remember, keeping your financial transactions updated is key to maintaining smooth operations. Resending an invoice might seem like a small task, but it's critical for ensuring clarity and accuracy in your business dealings. Also, don't hesitate to make use of Xero's support resources or online forums if you hit a snag along the way. And with that, you've successfully navigated the process of resending an invoice in Xero. I hope this guide has been both instructive and helpful. Remember, mastering these small tasks will significantly enhance your efficiency and accuracy in managing your business's financials. Until next time, keep optimizing your financial workflows for better business health.